What we are trying to cover with this video is two possible issues. One being that the grill does not heat up sufficiently, and the other one is it may be running too hot, possibly creating excessive smoke or even catching fire. You may be getting an LER code or an HER code. If you're having a low error code reading, you may just have a dirty temperature sensor. Just wipe it with a rag, with alcohol, or CLR. Remove the lower grill. Remove the drip pan. We suggest covering the top with foil. Removing the diffuser. To take it out, you have to slide it sideways and wiggle it around a little bit. It can be a little bit difficult. There are 4 slots at the bottom of the diffuser. Once the diffuser is removed, you will see the fire cup where it all happens. This is where the auger sits, and the wood pellets wood gets blown into the cup. At the bottom of this cup, there is the igniter. Pellet fires can be caused by clogged up fire pots. Cleaning this out regularly is a suggestion to prevent fires. After cleaning this out, reassemble and enjoy your pellet grill.